how to perfect your American accent really fast. In today's video, I'm going to guide you through mastering the tone of a native American speaker. You'll also learn how to speak with an authentic American accent. We're focusing on the standard American accent today. So, no regional accents, no hood or AEE, just the basics of the standard accent. Before we dive in, here's a quick breakdown. America has 50 states, and in every state, people speak differently. You've got Southern, Midwestern, Northeastern, Southeastern, and Southwestern accents. However, the one constant across the U.S. is the standard American accent, and that's what we'll focus on. Let's jump right in. 1. Quick pronunciation fixes. Let's start with vowel sounds. Take the vowel it sounds different depending on the word. For example, in some accents, you might hear Jim, Jim, Jim. But in the American accent, the A sounds like I. So when paired with GCA, it becomes game, game. Notice how you need to adjust your mouth and lips to produce that sound. Let's try it again. Say it with me. Game, game, game. Avoid saying Jim. If you do, your accent shows through. To sound American, slightly drop your jaw. Game, game, game. Now, let's look at another word. In some accents, it would be nim, like my name is Collins. But in the American accent, it's name, name, name. So instead of saying my name is Collins, you say my name is Colin. Notice the difference? 2. The R sounds. Next up, the R sound. Look at this word. In some accents, it would be car. Like, I'm going to drive my car. Let's get into the car. But in the American accent, the R is clearly pronounced at the end, car, car. As in, I'm going to get into my car. Let's try another one. In some accents, you'd say, mother. I'm going to call my mother, Mother Teresa, Mother Francis. You'd hear Moda. But in the American accent, the R comes through at the end, mother, mother, mother. Hear the difference? 3. The T sounds. Now, let's tackle the T sound. In the American accent, you often don't hear a hard T sound. For example, in the UK, they might say, butter, butter. You hear the clear T. But in American English, the T shifts into a soft D, butter, butter. Like, can I get some butter? Pass me the butter. Notice how the T flips into a softer sound. Pause for a moment. Rewind this section and practice those pronunciations. Once you nail these, everything else will flow smoothly. 4. Linking words with consonants and vowels. Now, let's talk about how words link together. Take this phrase, did you? In standard English, it's pronounced as separate words, did you? But in the American accent, they link together as DJ. Did you do it? Becomes DJ, do it? There's no pause between did and you. Did you see that? Did you see him? Another example. How do you becomes how? How'd you know that? Becomes how you know that? 5. Dropping or merging sounds. In American English, certain phrases are shortened. For example, going to becomes gonna. I'm going to the store becomes I'm going to go to the store. Don't say I'm going to the store. Instead, say I'm going to go to the store. Another example, gotta turns into gotta. I gotta leave becomes I gotta leave. 6. Assimilation. Here's how assimilation works. Take this phrase, I miss you. It shortens to I miss ya. Or could you becomes could ya. Could ya help me? These are just a few examples of how Americans naturally speak. I hope this gives you a clear picture of how to adapt your accent. This is only part 1 of the series on mastering the American accent. I'll be releasing more videos, so stay tuned for more tips on how to speak like an American. Make sure to hit that subscribe button below, ring the bell icon, and like this video. If you want a part 2, drop a comment below and I'll get started on it. If this video hits 100K views, I'll create an extended session teaching you everything from start to finish. Thanks so much for subscribing, liking, and sharing. If we hit 10,000 subscribers, I'll do a special giveaway as a thank you. Until then, stay blessed. This version keeps the style and tone while making the script more dynamic and easy to follow. Ready for section 2 whenever you are.